Hi there everybody, hope we're all staying safe and healthy out there. Today, I will be showing you all how to make some easy Play-Doh, no cook, no nothing, just mix it all together. Let's go. So you only need these 4 things here. You got 2 cups of flour, half cup of warm water, 3/4 cups of table salt, and just a few teaspoons of canola oil here. Also highly recommended you use any food coloring you like, I just don't have any. So we're gonna be making some white Play-Doh today. So first things first, I'm gonna put all the water in a big bowl. This is what you're gonna make it in at the end. And this is when you add your food coloring. I don't have any, as I said. And then you're gonna put the salt in with the flour here. And then just mix it all together until it's well mixed. So then pretty easy. Just take this mixture right here. And you're just gonna dump it all into the water. There we go. You're just gonna want to mix it up. A little bit of flour on the cutting board there. And I'm just gonna dump that all out. So just knead it with your hands. And there you have it. Some really easy Play-Doh. Now keep it fresh, just put it in a bag, put it in the fridge. It'll be fine for a few days. But yeah, super easy to make. Hope you guys have fun. So I did forget to add the canola oil. It's just 1 tablespoon in the water before you add the flour in. So just don't forget to do that. And also food coloring, highly recommended. Fun to play with, not to eat.